Hi everyone, welcome back to AutoNerveX. Today we're diving into the roaring return of an American muscle icon, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This isn't just a rebadge or a throwback. It's a complete reimagining of what a true boss Mustang should be in the modern era. If you're a fan of loud engines, aggressive styling, and raw power fused with cutting-edge tech, then you're in for a ride. In this video, we're going all in looking at the exterior styling, interior comfort and technology, engine specs and performance, and what this beast will cost you. So buckle up, this is going to be an exciting one. Let's start with the exterior, because there's no way the 2026 Mustang Boss 429 doesn't make a brutal first impression. At first glance, you immediately notice the wide body stance, lowered, stretched, and packed with muscle. It's aggressively sculpted with widened fenders, a vented hood with an unmistakable power bulge, and carbon fiber front splitters that scream performance. Ford designers clearly dug into the archives and pulled out inspiration from the legendary 1969 model, but gave it a futuristic edge with aerodynamic upgrades and modern lighting. The front fascia is completely redesigned with angular LED headlights and a massive grille that cools the monstrous engine beneath. Around the sides, there's a low-profile, side skirts, and forged 20-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot sport tires that fill the fender gaps perfectly. Around the back, you've got an aggressive diffuser, quad-tip exhaust system, and a ducktail spoiler that not only looks great but adds actual downforce. The Boss 429 badges are subtle but iconic, and let everyone know this isn't just another Mustang, it's something far more elite. Now, moving inside. The 2026 Boss 429 gives you the best of both worlds: heritage muscle car feel blended with ultra-modern tech and luxury. You're greeted by sport bucket seats wrapped in a mix of Alcantara and premium leather, with red contrast stitching and Boss 429 embossing on the headrests. The driving position is low and aggressive, just like it should be. The flat-bottom steering wheel is trimmed in leather and carbon fiber, complete with paddle shifters and drive mode controls. In the center console, you get Ford's SYNC5 infotainment system displayed on a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen that's seamless and fast. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers studio-quality audio. Though let's be honest, you'll want to keep the windows down and let the engine sing. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and changes based on your drive mode, whether you're in normal, sport, track, or the new Boss mode that unleashes everything this beast has. The cabin is surprisingly refined for a car this aggressive. You've got dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and even massaging front seats, which is something you'd never expect in a Boss Mustang. Storage is decent, visibility is solid, and the rear seats, well, they exist. But this car is all about the front row experience. There's also a cool track data system built in that gives you lap times, G-forces, and performance telemetry right from the dash. Now, let's talk power, because this is where the 2026 Boss 429 earns its name. Under the hood lies a hand-built, naturally aspirated 7.3-liter V8 codenamed Godzilla. It's been heavily re-engineered with performance in mind, featuring titanium connecting rods, forged pistons, and a racing-grade crankshaft. The result? A jaw-dropping 825 horsepower and 700 pounds-ft of torque, all sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic. Yes, you heard that right. This is one of the last high-performance V8 South with a manual gearbox, and it's an absolute riot to drive. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.2 seconds. With a top speed of 208 miles per hour, the sound is thunderous, pure mechanical rage that shakes the ground and makes your heart race. Launch control, line lock, active exhaust, this car has all the performance goodies built in. Ford has tuned the suspension with adaptive Magnaride dampers, a performance rear differential, and upgraded Brembo brakes to ensure the car corners as confidently as it accelerates. But this isn't just a drag strip. Rooted handles with precise steering feedback, balanced weight distribution, and an active aero system. The Boss 429 carves through corners like a modern-day GT car. It's surprisingly refined at high speeds, with minimal body roll and rock-solid grip. And, for those who want to track it, Ford offers a Boss track pack that includes a rear seat delete, roll cage pre-fitment, track tires, and additional cooling systems. Now let's talk pricing and availability. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 doesn't come cheap, but it's not supposed to. It's a limited production, high-performance collector's car. The base model starts at around $120,000, and with options like the track pack, carbon fiber roof, and upgraded interior trim, you can push it north of $150,000 easily. Ford is planning to produce only 1,500 units globally, making this an ultra-exclusive machine for true enthusiasts. So who is the 2026 Boss 429 for? It's for the die-hard Mustang fans who've been waiting for something raw and unapologetically American. It's for the muscle car lovers who want to own a piece of history, but with modern engineering. And most of all, it's for those who still believe driving should be an emotional experience, not just a commute. In a world moving toward EVs and downsized engines, the Boss 429 stands as a symbol of what makes performance cars so special: sound, feel, power, and presence. This might just be the last time we see a naturally aspirated, big block muscle car with a manual transmission rolling out of Detroit, and Ford has made sure it goes out with a bang. That wraps up today's in-depth review of the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. What do you think? Does this modern Boss live up to the legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hardcore content. This is AutoNerveX, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.